Today we got the HEMA gear. So we got a HEMA HX-2 and a Wi-Fi reversing camera. Reasons for this: was going to buy a dedicated reversing camera to slip on over my existing rear view mirror, because obviously I can't see out of the back of the canopy. And then I started researching these. So this, because I can hook up a reversing camera to it, I can have this as a screen on the dashboard that will let me see behind the car when I'm driving, but also then when we go on trips, we got all the off-road maps, we got the free camps, we got all the points of interest, everything that HEMA do and do well in one package. So kind of two birds with one stone. So let's get into this episode. Let's install this into the Luxy and see what it looks like. So we'll do a little bit of unboxing first. Let's see what we get. So in this bit of packaging, two sleeves, is it? Oh no, this just lifts up. Oh no. So here it is, the HX-2. Ooh, better careful we don't drop it. Looks pretty good. In here we got, looks like a pouch that'll go into. Nice. Windscreen light. I don't know. Looks decent. And USB adapter and a cord. So let's go and put this in the car, and then we'll get involved with this next. So where do we want it? Well, I reckon it goes in there. Can I sneak? I don't want to sneak it down through there. It's time to look at the camera. It comes with this. So this is the whatever it is, wireless camera. This is the aerial. So I want to try and keep it in planes as close to line of sight as I can. I was going to mount it down here, and I might still have to, but I'm really thinking I'd love it to be up here somewhere, because I think at night time it'll be out of the glare of a lot of headlights. Plus, give me a kind of better vista. I've got the reversing camera down there anyway for the tow ball hitch. This might be pretty good vision from up here. Be nice and high and see over a lot of cars. So I'm going to try and mount it up here. I've just jimmied another cigarette plug extension just to try it and see if that visual line of sight will work first before I end up putting it all up here. So we'll plug it in, and I'll go and I'll go and sit in the car and see if it's going to pick it up. All right, we've hooked the camera up just loosely and jumped in the car. So let's just see if this is going to pick it up. Apparently it's just supposed to press Wi-Fi and it finds it, so we will soon find out. All right, yeah, it's booting up. All right, so if we just go here, and go there, and apparently we go to the camera. Oops, cancel that. It was this one. Connecting. Looks like it's going to do it. Obtaining IP address. Connected. Alright. So if we go back now, reverse camera. And there it is. It's upside down, is it? Yeah. Take those. Take those off. Every time you want to stick something to any metal or anything, isopropylene first. Give it a good clean. It's basically just alcohol. It's really going to help adhere to the surfaces better. Alright, so I got these from Super Cheap Auto. They are large cable mounting bases, so they're basically just got a bit of 3M sticky in the back. We just want to peel it off and stick it on, leave it for half an hour. Well, it's 24 hours really before it's a full adhesion, but in half an hour they should be good enough to use. Alright, better. So let's mount this up here. I am left-handed. It probably looks really awkward on screen, but that's who I am. So Andy bought me this for Christmas, this little King Chrome butane soldering iron. I tell you what, this is the best thing I've ever been bought. I reckon it is sensational. No more 240, no more stuffing around. It heats up pretty quick. It is awesome. That should be everything wired up and ready to go. So let's put it in. Oh, well, it's in. Let's, I'll just cable tie this back up. And we'll do a bit of a tidy up. We'll go for a quick test drive. So look, apologies, I've just realized we did lose a bit of audio there. The batteries in the microphone ran out. Anyway, what I was saying in the car was the reversing camera is working really well. I can see out of the back of the canopy. It was a cracking mod to do. I'm really pleased with the HX-2 so far as a reversing camera. Haven't explored the off-road maps, the on-road maps, all the other stuff that it'll do. I really want to get into that and learn all about it. So I will do a review on that unit in the not too distant future once we do a couple of tracks and see how it performs off-road. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe because it really does help the channel out. Like and comment if you feel you want to do so, and we will see you on the next one.